Farmer Mike, live from the #1 Pablo the Farm Cat. Say hi. Oh, the #1 farm cat in America, the amazing. Right. Okay, so this sitting on concrete actually is going to keep this warmer, and the soil temperature in here is going to it's going to warm up quicker and a couple of weeks earlier than if it were just in the ground. And so what we're going to do is we're going to trim this back, cut these back, and then we're going to take some leaves, okay? We're going to take some leaves and we're just going to put them in there just like that over the winter. Now this is good if you have some plants planted outside and they need a little bit protection. This is great for them as well. You can do with things like roses. We did this over the years, but just go ahead and sprinkle them up in there. It does help if you can take these and you can run them on the lawnmower or a weed whacker, or you can just do this with your hand or put them in a hammer mill. We have an actual machine that does this a little bit better, breaks it down. So we're going to break this down, get the bacteria going, and then we're going to wet it down and get the fungi going. It's going to break down. And when it snows, the snow is actually going to hold, the water and the moisture. And this bed is going to look amazing. This bed is going to look amazing come the spring. And you can check out some of my earlier YouTube videos on the channel. Everyone driving down Vine Street stopped and they said, "What is that? What are those plants in there?" They just look amazing for weeks on end. This bed isn't entirely filled with dirt. It actually is somewhat of a hugelkultur because we have vlogs underneath it. Check out that video on the YouTube channel as well. And we have Humasoil. Stan from Missouri Organic Recycling stopped by and hooked us with some inoculant, and we put that too in these raised garden beds that it's just loaded with beneficial fungi and beneficial bacteria. It's amazing. And that, my friends, is your masterclass for today. Of course, using what you have and taking the most of it. And today we used leaves as an insulator and as a mulch. And it's free. You can't be free, like Grandmother Ophelia would say. Right, Grandma Ophelia? That's right. You can't be free. Oh, I hope you enjoyed this free educational masterclass. Check out my channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. 576 videos, all dedicated to urban farming. Farmer Mike, I got to go check on the Vine Street happy hens and give them some fresh water. And Pablo, the farm cat, hey, Pablo says hi to all his... What's that, Pablo? Don't forget to like and subscribe. I told them that already. Follow him on Instagram. Why do cats sound like, when they purr, sound like they're snoring? Let me know. Why are you doing that, Pablo? Let me know. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know. Is Pablo ever going to catch a mouse? Let me know that too in the comment section. And is it normal for cats to eat so much? Pablo, am I going to have to put you on a diet? Let me know that too in the comments section. Farmer Mike, live from Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm in the Jazz District, where it lives.